Welcome to the world of the Lingoliftos! Christmas for beginners. Look! Look! It is Santa Claus! I love the snow! Snow. Look at the beautiful tree! Tree. Open the big present! Present! The reindeer can fly! Reindeer. This sleigh is fast! Sleigh! The star is shining! Star! What a nice bell! Bell. Look at the snowman! 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 Would you like a candy? Candy! Merry Christmas, everyone! Christmas! The light is colorful. Light. This gift is for you. Gift. I love this cookie. Cookie. My hat is soft. Hat. The elf is making toys. Elf. Well done! See you next time.